Hey guys, I'm Chase Brogan, and if you're anything like me, cleaning your windows is probably one of those chores you put off for way too long. Not because it's difficult, because it's time consuming, repetitive, and honestly kind of annoying. Especially if you have large windows, sliding glass doors, second story windows, or glass that's simply difficult to reach safely. But that's exactly where this product comes into play. This is the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S Omni, and it's one of the most advanced robotic window cleaners that I've had the chance to test. It's designed to automatically clean windows for you while intelligently navigating the glass, spraying cleaning solution, scrubbing away dirt and grime, and helping deliver streak-free results with very little effort on your part. And what makes this model especially interesting is that it combines the robot itself with a portable Omni station, giving you power, storage, portability, and cordless operation all in one package. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how the WINBOT W2S Omni works, highlight some of the key features, and share my thoughts on who I think this robot makes the most sense for. So let's dive into it. All right, guys, we've got this unboxed. So my first impressions here, this is going to be a super convenient product because let's be honest here, none of us enjoy dragging out ladders, buckets, spray bottles, towels, and spending hours cleaning windows by hand. The WINBOT W2S Omni is designed to automate the entire process from start to finish. You simply place the robot on the glass, allow it to attach itself, choose your cleaning mode, and let it do all the work for you. The robot uses ECOVACS WinSlam 4.0 intelligent navigation system to plan the cleaning path and systematically cover the entire window instead of moving randomly across the surface. That means more efficient cleaning and more consistent results from top to bottom. Now let's talk about the Omni Station because this is one of the features that really helps separate the W2S Omni from many traditional window cleaners out there on the market today. This isn't just a charging dock at the end of the day. It's essentially the command center for the entire system. The Omni Station provides portable power, storage, transportation, and cordless operation all in one compact package. And one of the biggest advantages here is that you're not tied to a nearby power outlet while cleaning. With up to 110 minutes of cordless runtime available through the Omni Station, you can move from window to window without constantly worrying about where you're going to source your power from. That's especially useful if you're cleaning exterior windows or other areas where access to power can be super limited. Instead of manually wrapping up cables after every use, the power cord retracts itself neatly back into the Omni Station with just the press of a button. It's a simple quality of life feature, but it really does help keep everything organized and makes packing the system away after use much easier. Now let's talk about the actual cleaning performance. The WINBOT W2S Omni features a triple wide angle spray system that distributes cleaning solution across the entire glass before the cleaning pad passes over the surface. That helps loosen dust, dirt, fingerprints, and grime before the scrubbing process even begins. The robot then follows its cleaning path while maintaining consistent contact with the glass throughout the entire cleaning cycle. One thing that's difficult to achieve when cleaning windows manually is consistent pressure across the entire surface, but the robot here has no problem with that. It performs the same cleaning pattern from start to finish, helping create a more uniform result across the entire window. Now another feature worth highlighting on here is the ECOVACS TrueEdge precision cleaning technology. Traditionally, robot window cleaners have struggled when it comes down to cleaning close to the window frames and edges. With the W2S Omni, it's specifically designed to clean much closer to those edges, helping maximize the amount of glass that's cleaned during each pass. That's particularly useful on large windows and sliding glass doors where buildup oftentimes accumulates around the borders over time. Now, whenever you're talking about a robot that attaches itself to glass, safety is always going to be a concern, and rightfully so. Now, the good news about ECOVACS is that they've actually built in multiple layers of protection directly into the W2S Omni. This system uses powerful suction, anti-slip technology, intelligent monitoring systems, backup protection measures, and a dedicated safety tether to help keep the robot securely attached while cleaning. The robot continuously monitors its position and attachment to the glass throughout the entire operation, helping provide additional peace of mind, especially when cleaning larger or elevated windows. Another thing I like about the W2S Omni is how versatile it is. This isn't just for traditional house windows. You could use this on a wide range of glass surfaces like glass doors, large picture windows, mirrors, shower glass, and so much more around your house. And honestly, once you start looking around, you realize just how many glass surfaces there are in your home that you could use this on. The W2S Omni also offers multiple cleaning modes depending on the condition of the glass and the type of cleaning that you're looking to accomplish. Whether you're doing routine maintenance cleaning or tackling windows that haven't been cleaned in quite some time, you have options to allow you to tailor the cleaning experience directly to your specific needs. You also get app connectivity through the ECOVACS app, giving you access to cleaning controls and additional settings. It's a really nice convenience feature that makes the operation of the robot so much easier. So at the end of the day, who is this product really designed for? I believe it's for anybody that has a wide range of different glass surfaces in their home that they want to truly automate the cleaning process for. If you have multiple sliding doors, large windows, difficult to reach exterior glass, a sunroom, enclosed patio, glass railings, or second story windows, this can save a significant amount of time and effort compared to cleaning everything manually. And let's not forget, this is also a much safer option rather than pulling out a ladder and climbing 1 or 2 stories up to clean windows manually. Plus, let's face it, most of us would rather spend our weekends doing something that we actually enjoy as opposed to manually cleaning windows, even if they're on the first floor. So overall, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S Omni is an impressive robotic window cleaning system that combines intelligent navigation, triple wide angle spray technology, true edge precision cleaning, cordless operation through the Omni Station, app control, extensive safety features, and a variety of convenience-focused design touches into a single package. So overall, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S Omni is an impressive robotic window cleaning system that could be right for just about anybody. And what really stood out to me here is how much effort it removes from a chore that most homeowners don't particularly enjoy doing. To learn a little bit more about this amazing product, click the link in the description of this video. Drop me a like on the video if you appreciate the content today. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.